Okay, Roquete Lane. We're right near Santa Square. Some kind of post Santa Claus destruction here. Just Santa and the sleigh just kind of stranded with destruction all around. And it's January 11th today. But we're gonna be focusing on Roquete Street. So we're gonna go up this street right here. And then we're going to be checking out that new building, and then we can also see Grand Lisboa Casino straight ahead as well. So we're gonna definitely go in that area. So stay tuned for that. So Roquete Street. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so that's going to be our target street right there. So we are going to walk up that way, and we're going to check out some of the new businesses. And then there's a new building. There's a kind of older building that was there, and now they tore it down, and then they were building for a while, and now it looks like it's something else is there. So we're going to take a look at that in a moment. Before we do, let's just kind of see where we're at around here. We have a little park at the base here. Soul Cafe is right over that way. This is Santa Square. Then yeah, you can see our little Santa Claus that's in the middle there. They're gonna replace this whole space with New Year's Eve things. Let's see. Got a little wave of people, so we're gonna try to go around them. So yeah, this will continually change right here. It'll be something different. Actually, it'll be Chinese New Year in about 1 month from now. So they'll have a whole different theme here. But what we're gonna do is be walking. This is a Holy House of Mercy right here. One of the first buildings in Macau, this white building. It's been here for about 500 years. Almost. But yeah, this is like an old orphanage. 1569. So when 1569 comes, that will be 500 years old. So let's just kind of capture the scene a little bit. So we got Santa Square, we got the Holy House of Mercy, and then we're gonna walk up towards Cathedral Cafe, and then this new building on the corner. So we're gonna also check that out too. Häagen-Dazs. Kind of got some new businesses here. Pork chop buns. Nice views right here, so we get this really nice view. And the post office is right next to us as well. We just kind of capture. So the post office is to the left right there. And then this one, you got some nice balconies right here. Then you have the Rainbow Cafe, which I think is brand new. You can actually sit outside here too. Rainbow Cafe. And then that building to the left over there is the post office. Yeah, really photogenic. It's nice right there. Another pork chop bun place. So that one is kind of a chain. I see that everywhere. Pork chop bun. Okay. Rainbow Cafe is new. Häagen-Dazs, and then the post office has been there a long time. And then this one is kind of a new building right here. So you can see some construction in there. Let's just kind of walk in a little bit and just kind of see what's. Got some giant windows here. So yeah, this is all brand new. And up there is Cathedral Cafe. See if the owner is around. I can smoke right here. Let's take a look at this building. So yeah, this building is was totally. I do have an old video of this one, of this street. I'll attach it to the bottom, and then you can see what it used to look like. Kama. He also has some nice coffee shops. This is a good street, actually. Yeah, I think this street was going to transform it. They had something different here. I forget what it was exactly, but it wasn't this. So Roquete is our target street. Fried chicken shop right here. Okay, so I think we're gonna walk just a little bit further towards Say. I just want to show you what Say looks like real quick. Just kind of give you a little context of our target streets connections, what it's connected to. And then you got Say Cathedral right here. So I'm going to turn around in a moment, but just giving you some context. So there's Say Cathedral, and then this leads into down to Sonata Square where we started at. So you can take these little alleys down. So these little alleys right down in here, São Domingos. So São Domingos goes all the way down that way. So anyways, our target street was Roquete. Organic skincare. And I was mostly curious about this particular building right here, just to see what it had become. But I will connect this to my old video, and you'll see that this was kind of ugly compared to what it is now. Yeah, this one. Nice windows too. And then Cathedral Cafe is up at the base of our street. The owner here is, I didn't see him, otherwise I'd say hi. But that was our target street. So we're just gonna walk through here real quick. Okay. Let me just kind of walk over this way. So now you can see some a nice little plaza right here. Just walk down slightly. So you got some beautiful buildings, especially that one. And then Cathedral Cafe. That was our target street. And then the post office is right here too. And we're gonna end our street. So that was, we're kind of looking over who is Central. That's called Central Street on the other side there. And then we started over there near Sonata Square. So I think what we might do, so we're next to the post office right now, and then this is called Avenida Almeida Ribera, which is the main street that goes all the way down to Pont 16, which is where the traditional ferries and ships used to come in. And we're just going to walk in a circle, and then we're going to end it. The other street. So as you can see, we basically walked in a circle. And there's a kiosk right there. Sonata Square over that way. Then you can see our target street. which was right up on that hill there. So we'll just walk back down. And there it is right there. We're just walking this square, and then we're going to turn around on the camera, and then we're going to end the video. Give you a little idea what Sonata Square looks like as well. Okay, so let me turn the camera back around, give you the context of everything. So that's Sonata Square, and then we started way up there. And then you can actually see the Santa Casa de the House of Mercy there. Okay. So we're gonna end the video. Let's go a little bit back to that street. And then it's kind of funny too, the Santa Claus, so I think I might end it on that one. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.